Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and locating where Screenshot controls live. Tap Accessibility to find Assistive Touch, or search Back Tap to configure double or triple tap captures. Once done, make sure Side Button plus Volume Up is enabled for standard screenshots. This is the quickest hardware method. You're doing this so you can pick the method that fits your usage and accessibility needs. That choice affects later workflow and whether you need on-screen controls or gestures. Now customize how screenshots behave. Enable Assistive Touch and assign a custom action to trigger a screenshot with a single or double tap. This is useful if buttons are hard to press. Alternatively, set Back Tap to screenshot for a 2 or 3 tap trigger. This is fast and discreet. Make sure auto lock and photo storage are adequate so captures aren't lost, and test a screenshot immediately to confirm the configured gesture or button produces the expected result. Finish by testing each method. Press Side Button plus Volume Up, perform Back Tap, and use Assistive Touch. You'll see screenshots appear in the Photos app. If not, make sure Photos has necessary permissions and check iCloud storage space. If gestures aren't working, restart the iPhone to clear temporary bugs, and if issues persist, reset accessibility settings to default. This often restores misconfigured gestures. If all else fails, you can temporarily use screen recording and extract frames as a stopgap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.